Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the Firefighter's Financial Toolbox, and today I am looking at the smartasset.com Social Security calculator. Now, a lot of people argue about when they should take Social Security or even whether or not it's going to still be here when we retire. I personally believe it's going to be. Now, it may very well have some changes before we get there, but no politician is going to want to have his name attached to killing Social Security, in my personal opinion. Now, I could be wrong, but we talk about when we should take it. And so I thought I would use the little calculator here and run some numbers. Now, as you know, the youngest you can take Social Security is 62 years. So I decided I would run some numbers and use my thing and just take a look at what it looks like. So basically, and the first thing it asks you is your birth year, your annual income, and what year you plan to retire. So we're going to go with 65 as the normal retirement age. And we're just putting in some random numbers. I put my income at 75,000, my wife's at 50,000. So now my wife is a couple years older than me, but we're going to go through the differences in how much they are. So if we were both to take Social Security at 62 years old, my annual benefit would be $28,013 and hers would be $22,528, which comes to a total of $50,541. Okay? That's both of us taking it at 62. So what if I waited to my full retirement age, which for my case is 67. So if I put that in there, 67. So I'm going to full retirement age. My wife would be taking it early at 62. Now you see that my benefit has gone up to $40,089 annually, while hers is still $22,528. That would automatically give us $62,691. So about $12,500 more annually by waiting. Now, we are waiting 5 years. So what if my wife and I both took it at full retirement age? Oops. Okay, so if we both waited till full retirement age of 67, my benefit would be $40,089 and her benefit would be $32,237. Okay, so that would give us a total of $72,400. Now, if we look at the numbers over both of us taking it 62, we're already almost $22,000 ahead annually, you guys. Now, that is waiting 5 extra years, so you have to obviously have some money to live on for those 5 years. Remember also that every year you get a bump, you get a COLA for Social Security. So what if, now, the nice thing is after your retirement age, they actually increase the benefit by 8% a year. Now, that only lasts until age 70. So let's take a look at if we both waited till age 70. Oops. Okay, this slider's a little funny. So if we both waited till age 70 to take our Social Security, my annual benefit would be $49,711, and her benefit would be $39,974. That would bump our annual Social Security benefit up to $89,776. You guys, that is $39,200 more than taking it if we both took it at 62. Now, I understand if you have to take it early, if you need money and you don't have anything else to do, that you got to take it, right? But one thing I would say is at least the higher earner, if you have a married filing joint couple, you definitely want that higher earner to wait a little bit longer to increase that benefit. And if you have the means to stretch using your IRAs or your 401ks to make it later, remember, that's 8% a year after 67 you're going to get guaranteed. You can't guarantee 8% in the market, right? It could happen better, it could be worse, but you can't guarantee that. So anyway, Certainly not saying that this works for everybody. Everybody's individual situation will be different. I just thought it would be neat to look at some numbers so people can get some ideas of how much the difference is by waiting. If you take it early, it's about a third less if you take it at 62 than at your full retirement age. And if you take it at 70 instead of full retirement age, you get an extra 24%, which is huge. And remember, the bigger the amount initially, the bigger the cost of a living adjustment is each year. So you would get it based on that larger amount. So not only is the amount you're getting larger, the bump up you're getting each time is larger. So in the long run, you're going to see quite a bit more of an increase over the lifetime of the benefit. Anyway, you guys, hope you got something out of this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have something to say about it, put them in the comments. Let me know. If you're new to the channel and you haven't already subscribed, please do so. We're almost to 400 now, and I'm pretty excited about that. So keep it going. All right, we'll see ya.